Hi, my name is Alex. I wanted to introduce myself as your salesperson and to let you know that our production team has created a video especially for you. I hope you like it.
Hi! This 2017 Toyota Tundra SRS comes equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, halogen headlights and fog lights, 20-inch custom fuel rims and wheels, a lift kit, and a red exterior. Aside from your standard features, this vehicle includes cruise and media steering wheel mounted controls, media center with AM/FM radio, satellite radio, CD player, Bluetooth audio and phone connectivity, a heads-up display, with a backup camera with parking sensors. As well, the interior features well-stitched leather seating with power adjustment and driver memory, dual-zone climate control system, heated seats, USB and auxiliary inputs, 12-volt DC outlet, sunroof, and standard folding rear seating.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you here at South Trail Chrysler, Canada's largest Chrysler store. See you soon!